Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and Bitcoin is right now pumping. Now, if you watched the last video, we talked about macro bullishness for Bitcoin and how in Singapore, everything looks different and that it doesn't feel like a bear market whatsoever. I think a couple of hours ago, I should have opened a trade. Yes, I did. Oh, I should have been more margin. Hold on, this is wrong. Let's increase this right now. I thought I added more. Strange, but let's add 500 more USDT. Actually, you know what? I'm actually pretty bullish on Bitcoin right now. Let's add 20. Let's add 18 more and round it to 600 USDT. This is of course a small trading account. We will towards the bull market, which it looks like we could be seeing in in the next couple of months. We're going to trade with much larger amounts. Right now we're very risk managed because the market is choppy. That's, in my opinion, the best way to trade at the moment. So Bitcoin is bouncing off from these moving averages, which I will talk about in just a second. Alongside that, we have the FOMC statement being released on Wednesday, which is in 2 days. So that will also be very interesting because it will impact the markets pretty heavily. Guys, if you do want to be trading, then you can go to the description below. I have two of my personally favorite exchanges, Bitflex and Bybit. If you use the Bitflex link in the description below, there is going to be a giveaway next week. Because it was Singapore, I was super busy, but next week we're going to be doing a giveaway with Bitflex. So if you use this link and start trading, you're actually going to be able to be participating in this giveaway. So stay tuned for that in the channel. And of course, if you use this Bybit link, you'll get a very nice deposit bonus when you start trading. So Bitcoin is pumping to right now $27,245. Is there a particular reason for this? Fundamentally, no, but if we look into technical analysis, the reason why I entered this trade a couple of hours ago was because we were testing this moving average right here, and I saw that there was some strength in the market. MACD was seeing a reversal back up towards the upside, so things were looking good. That's why I entered the trade, and I think we can go even higher to potentially $27,700. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a take profit here at $27,700. Sorry, 27,000. Yes, 27,700. And if we reach this level, then I will be looking to enter into a short position because, right, that it is a very key level of resistance on the daily time frame, and we could see some consolidation and head back up or see a reversal towards the downside. Most likely, if we break towards the upside from here, we'll actually be forming a double bottom, which will be absolutely amazing. And then the next target for Bitcoin, in my opinion, is first $28,600, followed by $29,700. Right. And if we do manage to break above 27.7K with volume, then I will be adding much more to this long position, which I thought was much more actually, but that was a mistake. So, but let's talk about the FOMC. So the FOMC is going to be released on Wednesday. So if we have a look at the rates here, this is the CPI. Let's go into this is the core inflation rate, and this is actually the interest rates. Now, the forecast for the Fed interest rate decision is at 5.5%, right? And what happened was, well, the previous one was also 5.5%. And if the interest rates come at exactly the same, then most likely there won't be much of a move in the markets. However, if we do see an increase in the interest rates, then well, this will be pretty interesting. I mean, I believe, right, this for Bitcoin, right, we've seen a decorrelation with stocks and Bitcoin. It's at a very interesting place at the moment. It's kind of in its own little segment, and right now, because of the due to lack of volatility, market makers are trying to take as much profit as possible. So we have decorrelated from the stock markets, and Bitcoin is doing its own thing. However, higher interest rates, right, will mean that we will see bigger banks facing more trouble. Hence, if banks face more trouble, there's an increased trust in Bitcoin. Now, in the macro analysis, in the short term, this may cause Bitcoin to dump. However, if we zoom out into the macro, this is actually very important. If banks collapse, then people trust Bitcoin more. And that usually causes Bitcoin's price to increase, like we saw during SVB. That was the biggest scenario, and Bitcoin did see a pump towards the upside. Now, other than that, I just want to say Singapore was absolutely fantastic. Now, me and Carl were actually about to board to our flight back to Dubai. It's been a crazy week. I'm incredibly tired. But yeah, it's going to be a long flight back. I learned so much, met with so many cool people, and hopefully in the upcoming days, you will see videos with some of your favorite YouTubers like Chris MM Crypto, and the altcoin daily bros, and much, much more. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to not miss these videos because they are going to be absolutely fantastic. But Carl, what do you think about Bitcoin's price? Do you think we're going to head higher?
I think we are going to head higher before the halving. But right now, I am not sure if we yet have confirmed the bullish scenario. We still have that huge slanted horizontal line that you put in your chart. And I think that as long as we're below that neckline or that huge head and shoulders, we have to be cautious. But as soon as we break above that support line, or sorry, resistance line that was previous support, that's when I'm gonna go massive long, with like huge positions. I'm already in a long position. But if we break above key resistance, I'm gonna dramatically increase. That is for sure. And I agree. Singapore was incredible. Token 2049 was just one of the. Actually, it was the
It
biggest
was the
event
biggest,
I've
yeah,
ever
right?
been
It
to.
was crazy.
10,000 people. I also made some videos with Chris, Da Vinci, yourself,
Uh-huh.
Andy, all these kind of people, and it's just so cool to see everyone hanging out together. And
Mhm.
all of the biggest crypto KOLs, influencers were gathered, and we had some very good times. And it's really cool to just see everyone sticking together.
Mhm.
And also, I saw some people that usually are beefing on Twitter, but now in real life, they're all like friends and like, let's laugh it off.
It's a beautiful community actually. Like it's really amazing. Everybody's supporting each other. And in terms of the projects we saw, people are still building. I mean, in my previous video, I talked about how to make a lot of money in crypto. And the best way is to research projects that actually have good business models where they're going to survive in the bear market and make money in terms of revenue to keep the cash flow in the business. And a lot of
Mhm.
these will come from play to earn and DeFi, in my opinion. So thank you, Carl, so much for your views on the market. Just to end off, I want to give a quick summary on Singapore. If you check out my Instagram, actually, I posted some cool stuff. I was super grateful to meet Daniel Ricardo. That was an incredible highlight, but I will be posting a vlog of the entire trip in the upcoming weeks. So again, make sure to turn on the notification bell to not miss that. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. You will really, really enjoy it. And yeah, make sure to follow my Instagram because I will be posting some more stuff later on today. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. That was it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Guys, I'm Crypto Kid. Take care. Have a nice day, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Take care, everyone, and bye-bye.